That used to be me. That old tech had to go. There had to be a better way. So that's when I searched online and I found Unite Telecoms. They offered me a month-by-month rolling contract with better functions. Well, I'm giving it a punt, right? So I got my people to talk to their people. And I said, I need reliability, functionality, I need to be on the move, I need to save money, and of course, I need great support. And also, I want to leave if I'm not happy. Let's see how you deal with that then. And do you know what they said? Of course, madam, that's fine. When would you like to commence? So now, thanks to Unite Telecoms, I've got all my communications in one place. Wherever I am, the office is. Definitely worth a punt, right?